Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the It's Potato channel. Today I am doing a tutorial that was requested by Negative, and it's a health bar tutorial, and Griffpatch already has this, but I just decided to make it myself. So this tutorial is kind of difficult, so be very patient with this if you try. So first I'm gonna demonstrate how this code works by showing you how to play this. So when you click the green flag, the health bar appears, and whenever you click the cat, the health bar goes down by a certain amount, and as you can tell, it goes down by 5. So how this works is that when we start the code, we can make this slider go exactly how much we want this for the health bar. So for this, to make this stuff, we need to start by making an outline. It's around this size. Any size is fine, but as long as it is proportional to your cat. Then we make another sprite called Lost Health, which is red, and we make it the exact same size as the outline, and it should fit directly inside like this, but it should not be part of the same sprite, or at least costume. And now we make health, which is the exact same size as the Lost Health, but it is green. Now lastly, we have the blockers, which are basically just 2 white blanks that fit exactly right on top of the health bar, so it should like block the sides. Now for the code, we start with when green flag clicked, show health, and switch costume to health. Go to 0, x0 and y90, switch costume to health, create clone of myself. Go to front layer, switch costume to outline, and create clone of myself. Go to 168x and y90, and switch costume to Lost Health and create a clone of myself. Then we go to front layer and go to x0 and 90, and which is pretty much the same thing here, and create a clone of myself. Now, one thing I would like to change is that instead of doing it like this, we can go do this and see how that works. Now that does not work at all, so we're going to undo that completely. Okay, so that is pretty much our code for this script, and now we're going to start on the when I start as a clone. So first, set size to 150 and set death count, which is a variable, to 0, and set health to 194. And if costume name equals Lost Health, and make sure if you name this red bar differently, make sure that it is exactly the same here as there. Now forever, if health equals to 0, stop all, and else set x to health. Now we're going to, well, something happened. Okay, I think something. Okay. Oh, okay, that's the problem. Okay, so we need to delete this. We left this here on accident. Now we need to put this back. And there we go. It's completely fine. Now that was one experience debugging code where I made a terrible mistake, and there will be instances like that whenever you do code. Now let's go to the cat. The cat is also really simple. So make sure we set the health to 194 exactly, and at least if you're going to do it this shape, which I think you should. But so we set the cat. So for this part of the code, we just do when green flag clicked, set rotation style left, right. This is not really necessary, but it was for if you are to like make the cat move around, which might be slightly more difficult, but I'm sure you'll eventually get it right. Or I could do another tutorial about that in the next part. When this sprite is clicked, which is like that, since 194, whenever we click the cat, we want to divide it by a certain amount that makes it the same whenever the next time we click the cat. So in this instance, I wanted the cat to have like 5, be hit 5 times until it would die. So I did 194 divided by 5, which is a very simple math. It's just 38.8. So I did with this sprite clicked, change health by minus 38.8. So now this works very easily. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and tell me if you have any issues, and I'll help you debug it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, which I probably already said. Bye guys.